Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In last video, we have discussed how to connect UiPath GenAI activities within integration services and how to connect those in UiPath apps. In this video, we are going to use UiPath GenAI activities in UiPath Studio. In case if you have missed the video of how to connect UiPath GenAI activities in integration services, then I'll provide a link above, then you can check it out. And after you have made the connection, then you can come back to this particular video. Now UiPath Gen AI activities, this particular connection is established now. Now we'll directly move to the UiPath Studio. I'll create a new process. I want to compare signature. I'll give the description and I'll simply click on create. It is restoring dependencies. After your project is loaded, then to use UiPath Gen AI activities, you simply need to navigate to activities panel. And in the activities panel, if you drill down, then you can see you have UiPath Gen AI activities already enabled for your studio. And out of those activities, you can see it has multiple range of activities which are available, starting from categorize, content creation, generate email, and many more activities are listed over here. But for this video, we are going to compare two signatures. So to compare signatures, we have this signature similarity activity. So after we dragged and dropped this activity, it is asking for two inputs of signature, the first signature and the second signature, those we want to compare. So for this demo, I have one folder created, and in that folder I have multiple inputs. These are the three signatures which I have. So those signature I have made, and this one is from the another person. First of all, I'll give the input of signature which is made by me, like the input 2 and the input 3. And let's see what are the results actually we get. So the first input I want to give is this signature, and the second one is input 3. Like the first one I have given as input 2 and second one is input 3. After I given the signature, then I need to configure some of the properties. There I can get the similarity score based on the signature that I have provided. So I'll get the similarity score if particular signature is done by the same person or not. So based on that, we'll get the similarity score. And then reasoning, what is the actual analysis after we compare those signature, that will get. So first of all, what I'll do is I'll create one variable to store score. Then for reasoning, control K, yeah, reasoning. And after that, I'll use log message. And if you remember, I have given as input 2 and input 3 for comparison. I'll debug. So debug has been completed. Now you can see score is 50%. So it is kind of matching, and we have received the analysis as well. It says both images contain signature. The overall appearance of signature shows similarities in terms of size and slant, because this particular signature was made by me only, and we are getting 50% score. That means like those two inputs, like it kind of say it is matching based on the inputs that we are getting, and it's the assumption like those signature might be done by the same person only. Now what I'll do is I'll give the first input. This one is from some random person and this input is done by me. So in the first input, I'll use the input, and in this one, I'm going to use the second one. And in this one, I'll use the input 3. Now let's check. So these two signatures are completely different from two different persons. So let's see what's the output and the score we actually get. Now you can see I'm getting validation score is 0, and analysis I'm getting the two images contain signatures that are significantly different in overall appearance, including size, slant, and spacing. And unique identifiers are distinct in each signature. That means those two signatures are completely different, and it is kind of not matching with one another. So this is how you can provide different images and with this particular GenAI activities to compare the signatures. After you have compared the signature, so based on your confidence score, you can validate if it is passing the 70% or 80%. So in that case, you can say it is a matching case, and validation score is below 70. So in that case, you can say like this particular signature is kind of not matching, like those two signatures are kind of not matching. Instead of using any document understanding or any third party services to compare the images, you can directly leverage the UiPath GenAI activities, and you can make your automation workflow simpler. It will help developers to enhance the productivity and increase the ROI. I hope you got an understanding how we can leverage the UiPath GenAI activities to compare the signatures. In the next video, we'll deep dive into the further activities which are available with UiPath GenAI activities. Until then, thanks for watching and happy automation.